Yes, my people. The news, as it's been big news. Chinese flooding Jamaica with counterfeit knockoff goods. Several Chinese nationals arrested across the country, counterfeit goods seized, and their businesses closed down. The Chinese are the best counterfeiters on earth. They are able to copy anything from 1 mile away. They even copy foodstuff, things that Jamaicans like Milo, Ovaltine, rice, which they make from plastic, eggs, fish. They even turn pork to beef. So all who talk about not eating pork, they might be eating pork all their lives. They know that Jamaicans like to wear brand products. So they will make bags and clothing especially for women and stamp on the names or put in labels with the name of the brands. The Chinese are also great forgers, especially official documents and rubber stamps. They can go to a wharf to customs and give clearance documents for shipped goods, showing that the entire shipment value millions of dollars was paid for, and end up getting all those goods without paying a penny. Bribery is also one of their specialty. And when they pay the bribe, after 3/4 of the cash might be counterfeit bills. If our government continue to have the Chinese manipulate the system, the nation will be so bankrupt that even the IMF might refuse to lend Jamaica any more money. Please like, comment, share, and subscribe.